How to turn off notification sound on emo application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. To turn off the notification sound on emo, first of all, launch open the emo application on your smartphone or your tablet. And once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Now from the Me menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Notifications. Under Notification option, scroll down and under In-App, tap on the toggle button right next to In-App Notification. And once you do that, you'll be able to turn off the sound effect or the in-app notification in the emo app. You can also switch off the in-app sound option, and this will not play any kind of a sound or alert while operating the app. Similarly, you can also turn off the in-app vibration from the same tab. So that is how you can easily turn off the sound effect in the emo application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.